Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going into Old Navy and it's saying 50% off clearance up to 75% off. Let's go and see what they got. Okay, they got their coats for what, $20? Gold warm fleece sweatshirts. They sweatshirts, these are $20. I like these. Look at those. And yep, from 29. How much are these? These are 20% off. Cute, huh? Nice and small. And they got a red one. Okay guys, so look at that. Face mask. They $5. 3-pack and 5-pack. They $5. So these are the ones I've been wearing. I'm probably gonna grab a set of them because I need some more masks. The kids been getting into them for some reason. So this one has how many in here? 5. So I'm gonna get this one, and it's $5.95. So they're $1 a piece. Okay, that's even better. So we got short sleeve everyday t-shirts. They two or more. If you buy 2 or more, they $10 a piece. So who is the pop-up piece? And then you got the human kind. I like it. Okay, so this right here. This, and I like the material it's in. 14. But if you buy 2 or more, they $10. So they actually are $10 a piece. Okay, so I got that one. I need to grab one more. And I actually like this one that say feel good. So and Old Navy shirts I need to buy a medium in. They shirts I find fit big. Yeah, they kind of that's how it look. It's got a weird bottom to it though. It's kind of curved at the bottom. So, but I'm gonna get that. They have more t-shirts too for 10. So, oh, you got a black one, which I got plenty of black t-shirts. Okay, I do have plenty of, I have one of these, and I have one of these t-shirts, but I don't have that one. That's pretty. You know, we used to stack t-shirts. That look cute stacked together. That's a leopard print t-shirt. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I'll wear that. It might look cute with something, but I don't think I will. So they Sherpas, $44. They feel so good, guys. Oh my God, they feel good. You should feel them. And these are $44. And I don't know what. I don't think it's a price drop on these. You got maroon, you got this bone color, and you got a pretty green, my fave. All these long sleeve shirts just for today is 50% off. So make sure you check your store. So that would be $9.99 for that sweatshirt, which I wouldn't back because I don't like hazmat. Sometimes Old Navy can go a little too crazy on. Okay, here's the zip up hoodies and $44. But I think it's 20% off everything. And they got a loyalty program, earn points when you come join. I like this bone color. Now I like this and it feels good. Okay, active Old Navy. I think all that active wear is 50% off. So 50% off. Okay, here's the pants. Okay, so now you're talking a whole different array. It is 50% off. They joggers, high rise. They so these high rises 50%. Those are cute. I don't like jogging pants with pockets on them though. So maybe I'm old school. I think that's what it is because my daughter loves them. Okay, now the Fleece Joggers are 20% off. They are just 20% off. I like these with the line down the side. I'm right here. And they $34. So 20% off of 34. That's what those are. And you got the top and the bottom to them. So I probably won't wear this because I have flashbacks when I was pregnant. I had one of these suits and I looked like a pig in it, so I won't wear that again. Okay, so they got all tight. Look at that. Okay, I like those. And they lime green. They got that military one. Tiger print. That print is back fabulous, huh? Okay, so the Sherpa line hoodies are 50% off. And that's this right here. That's Sherpa. So you got that hoodie in this little printed color, whatever those are. Then you got it in this maroon. Okay, so those are leggings is probably my big thing that I wear out of here. So I would grab the leggings is 30% off. That means they $36 a piece. I would wait till they go on sale for $20 because they go on sale for $19, sometimes $16. So that's when I usually grab my leggings. Okay, look at these shoes. Those are cute. They $19. I like them. Those could be used just for like slip on. I was just telling my daughter I need a boot that I could just put on. And or a little shoe. I didn't want to mess up my boots. They don't got my size no more, I'm sure. Huh? Oh, look at that. 20% off. $34. I like those. These was $19 during the holiday. So it'd be hard for me to buy that now. And then all the regular jogging pants, mid-rise. What are these? Mid-rise, go dry. Oh, so when you're working out, you sweat. That's what that is. They loose. Okay, so I like that material. I like that material. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I like that. I might grab a pair. These the actives. I think it's 50% off. Okay, I like the feel them, but they are wide when you open them up, guys. They are super wide. So here is some more of these kind. Now that's made out of a different material, kind of like the parachute pants material. They got scratch in them, and these are Old Navy activewear too. Should be 50% off of these. I don't want any gray ones because they look like work pants, and these also look like work pants. Okay, so here's some more of they leggings. I actually like these, and I don't like these animal print, snake print. I don't like those. Got these. I like these. I need some good workout bras. Those are $19.99, 30% off. So they'll be $13 to $38. They $13. Some of them start at $13. And some of these are compression bras. I guess for people who get their breasts done. Those are nice too. Okay. I don't genuinely work out in those, but I need them to hold down a look that I got. I don't want to slap nobody in the face. Okay. Elevate leggings. Oh, so those are cute. It's time for these. So here is all the fleece sweatshirts. Okay, I like these. I like that. $20. So they in these colors. Green, they in blue, they in this print. They in those two prints right there. And then if you start down here, here go the leggings that match it, 30% off, $29. So they gonna be $39, so they'll be like $38 for these. Now this is the color I like, and I like it because it's orange. I love bright colors. I love them. So you guys will probably see me in some of that stuff. I like these too. They so, but whew, I done got to that age, y'all. That stuff will burn me up. Oh wow, look at these. Is these? So what are these? French Terry yoga joggers, $19. And these, yep, $19. So they look like that with the bottom, and then they all look like this. Okay, so do you all see these crop top sweatshirts? Oh my goodness, I love them. Like, I love those. And my favorite is this one right here, Be the Love. They $29. Okay, so look at these. Let me finish these off. So you got those, you got that one. And you, of course, you have a signature green. Black. You cannot not have a black. And then the tie-dye is back in. Now, they leggings. Balanced yoga leggings. And they are $34 or 34% off. Okay. This feels like a different material. I don't know what kind of material it is. What is it? It's called Cozy Core. I don't know what it is. Compression, 4-way super stretch, but it's called Cozy Core. They feel good though. Oh my God, these make nice winter leggings. Yeah, they make look nice. They long. They look long on that mannequin, but these ain't long. The mannequin make them look long. But these are all the colors they come in. Oh my God, they feel so good. So you got them in gray. You got them in this blue. Okay, I like that. I like the bottom of them. And I like this green one. Okay. I love these. So I might grab these because my legs long. I love long leggings. So I grab these. Guys, so let's see what I'm picking up today. I hope you all enjoyed this Old Navy walkthrough video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share my channel. I got these right here. And they are 30% off at $36. And then these field t-shirts right here, if you buy two, they are $10 a piece. And then I bought a set of masks, which was $5 for 5 masks. So that's what I'm getting today. I won't buy every time I come, but I'll buy when I need to buy. Okay. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.